in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your microphone settings on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then it's going down underneath input, you should have a microphone device listed under here. You might have to just expand the drop down. Select your microphone input, and then you can adjust all of your HP's microphone settings here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.